Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to update you guys on DogeCoin. It does look like Doggy is not going to respect that 4 hour bullish cross. And remember, I told you guys yesterday we need to see how strong this cross is going to be towards the upside, to look at momentum and to look at price. As of right now, because it does look like it's not going to be respecting that previous bull run, but like before, it does look like bully. It does look like DogeCoin, unfortunately, is headed back to around 0.048 cents. So around also under 5 cents, I think. I think as of right now, see, we actually just crossed it. You guys see that? See that we actually just crossed it. As of right now, there's a good indication that DogeCoin is headed back under 5 cents, at least to retest those levels, maybe bounce off there. But if to be honest, if I could short Doggy right now, I would, because it does look like we're going back to 0.048. That's just how I see the chart right now, right? It does look like we're headed back to those levels.